take down. Start. The appellant challenged the said order of the Chancellor by way of a writ petition in writ petition number 6389 of 2011, full stop, by an order dated 2/12/2011, the said writ petition was allowed and the matter remanded back to the Chancellor, full stop. The reason why the matter was remanded back to the Chancellor was that admittedly there was no university in the country awarding a postgraduate degree in Karmakand, and that, therefore, there were actually no experts in the subject of Karmakand as sought to be projected by the Chancellor, full stop. Since the question whether subject experts were at all available in the field of Karmakand went to the root of the matter, the High Court, though fit to remand the matter back to the Chancellor, full stop, para. Pursuant to the aforesaid direction, the Chancellor considered the matter and passed a fresh order dated 24/8/2012, rejecting the recommendation of the selection committee, full stop. This order was challenged by the appellant by way of a fresh writ petition in writ petition number 63137 of 2012, full stop, by the order dated 14/5/2015, impugned in this appeal, the division bench of the Allahabad High Court dismissed the writ petition of the appellant on the ground that after the order of remand, the Chancellor had consulted a few experts and found that the subject of Karmakand is altogether different from the subject Sanskrit, and that therefore, with the qualifications that the appellant possessed, he could not have been selected for appointment, full stop. It is against this order of the High Court that the appellant is before us, full stop, para. Before we proceed to consider the core issue arising for consideration, we are obliged to take note of the fact that admittedly the appellant was engaged as a guest lecturer on remuneration of rupees 250 per lecture, subject to a maximum of rupees 5,000 per month from the year 2006, full stop. Ever since then, the appellant has been teaching students undergoing a 1-year diploma course in Karmakand for the past nearly 16 years, full stop, para. The next thing we have to take note of before we take up for consideration the issue arising in the above appeal, is that the appellant, and perhaps the entire selection process undertaken in 2006 by the university, became victims of the crossfire between the Chancellor and the Vice Chancellor, full stop. Admittedly, the post was originally filled up by a person who was actually to Purohit to the then governor of the state of Uttar Pradesh, full stop, but his appointment was set aside by Allahabad High Court by an order dated 19/8/2006, full stop. It is only thereafter that advertisement number 2 of 2006 came to be issued, inviting applications for appointment to the post, full stop, para. But it is of interest to note that the advertisement did not specify particularly that a candidate applying for the post of lecturer in Karmakand should hold a master's degree in Karmakand, full stop. In fact, the order of the Chancellor dated 24/8/2012, which became the subject matter of the writ petition, full stop.